Hello everyone. Do you remember that how many marks you secured in your final exams when you were in third standard? I'm sure most of you not. Okay, now tell me, do you remember that how you enjoyed in your annual days or sports day in your school with your friends? Or do you remember your favorite teacher's class? I'm sure most of you remember some incident and favorite teacher's class because that gave you some experience and left an impact on you. This is how we learn. We learn from our own experiences. We train ourselves and develop some skill sets for our survival. Now, the question arises, what are skills? Skills are the abilities that can be learned. Skills are the abilities that help us to perform some activities to survive successfully. Due to this globalization and industrialization, the world is changing very fast. We are passing through the time which is in the transformation phase in all the sectors, in technology, in trade, in economy, in agriculture, or even in education. And the world is going through the pandemic also. And during this transformation phase, one needs some core skill set or abilities that helps to face the challenges, that helps to live and work successfully in the society, in the life, or in the workplace. And these skill sets are known as 21st century skill sets. Now, the definition is 21st century skills are the abilities or attributes that can be taught or learned in order to develop the ways of thinking, learning, working, or living in the world. So, 21st century skills are the abilities that are required to live, survive, or work successfully according to the demand of the rapidly changing society. Thank you.